Ever feel like you need a little escape? A quiet corner to just breathe? What if you could create your own mini Japanese-inspired Zen garden right at home, even if you only have a tiny bit of space? All you need is a simple bowl, a flat pot, or a ceramic tray to get started. It's perfect for bringing a touch of tranquility indoors. Why bother making one yourself when you can just buy a kit? Well, most store-bought kits are pretty artificial and lack any real personality. They're all the same. But when you create your own, it's a unique and natural space that truly reflects you. It's a little piece of art that's all yours. So, what do you need? For the base, a bowl, a flat pot, or a ceramic tray works great. Then gather your natural elements. Think small bamboo shoots, polished stones, real or artificial moss, sand, and decorative gravel. To give it that authentic Japanese feel, add a small bridge, a pavilion, a tiny lantern, or even a Buddha figurine. You could even incorporate a mini pond or a tiny stream using a silent pump. For lighting, think warm LEDs, miniature lanterns, or flameless LED candles to create a cozy glow. Don't forget the details like a little stone path or tiny stepping stones. For a completely indoor-safe version, use artificial moss and low-voltage LEDs. Let's look at some ideas to get you inspired. You could create a simple bamboo and stones version in a ceramic bowl. Or how about a mini bridge and stream with a small water pump for that soothing sound? A meditation Buddha version with carefully raked sand is a classic. For a modern twist, try a design with concrete and integrated LEDs. And if you're really short on space, an ultra-compact version can fit right on your desk. The possibilities are endless. Remember, even the smallest corner of your home can be transformed into a peaceful, relaxing, and personalized Zen space. It's all about creating a little sanctuary that brings you joy. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this idea, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next project. See you soon.